All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Niko, and this is In the Weight Room. Now let's get started right here, too. We're just gonna go right on down to 385 on squat. Make sure you warm up first before you do anything. Let's hit it for 7 reps. Don't lock your knees. Let's get into the one. Let's go. Okay, y'all, what is your bench press? What is it that you are benching? We're gonna start off with 1 plate. 135, y'all. Let's go for 3 reps. Make sure you warm up first, too. This is out of warm up. And with a shoulder injury. Let's get it. Start with a weight that you can do easily without a spotter if you don't have a spotter. We're not here to start show off or do any of that, so we're just gonna start there and get ready for the clinic. So make sure y'all have a great, safe, blessed Christmas season. And make sure you subscribe for more. All right, y'all, let's attempt to curl the 80s. Let's go. Can we get it? 1, 2, and 3. Let's bring it down slow. Follow, subscribe for more. Here to work some calf raises. So we're up and out. Let's see if we can hit 250. Let's go. Ooh, can we not? Oh, we struggled for a minute, but we back up in. All right, y'all, after y'all weight workout, don't forget your cardio. What other weight in on the court? What up, Jack Harlow? Make sure you subscribe for more. Whoa. All right, balls up, let's get it. Final week. Subscribe for more, y'all. All right, in the backpack. Make sure you follow, subscribe for more.